days ago, a container truck caught fire near Balewadi on Pune-Bengaluru highways. Thankfully, no one got injured. But what police found out after this issue raised a serious question of how logistics is being managed in India. The truck was not carrying one type of cargo. It has chemicals, garments, furniture, electronics, and even LED bulb, all covered in one container. The driver, after noticing the fire, pulled over and escaped. But this wasn't an accident. It was negligence. Police investigation revealed that a chemical-based company from Ulhasnagar, Thane district, had hired a transport operator from Bengaluru. Instead of arranging a special vehicle to carry chemicals safely, they loaded everything in one container just to save money. Now here's why that's dangerous. Chemicals are sensitive. They need specific storage conditions, separate compartments, and trained handlers. But in this case, they transported everything together. Fabric, wood, electronics, all of which are heat sensitive or flammable. The fire likely started due to friction inside the moving container. No protocols were followed. No special permits were taken. No separation of materials were done. The driver told the police that he was unaware of the cargo's nature and he was just following the orders. Now both the transport operator and the companies are under serious section of the law. Mishandling chemicals, fire negligence, and unsafe use of vehicle under the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita and Motors Vehicle Act. This is not just a story of one fire. It highlights the bigger issue of SME space, cutting down costs to save money, ignoring compliances, and putting lives and property at risk. What can SMEs and logistics players can learn from this? Never mix chemical cargo with normal goods. Always declare the nature of the cargo before booking a truck. Ensure that proper documentation and license are in place. Train your drivers about what they are carrying, especially if it is hazardous. The very important thing is don't compromise on safety just to save your cost. This incident couldn't be much worse. It's just luck that there were no casualty. But next time we won't be that lucky. If you are in logistics, manufacturing, or a warehouse owner, this is a wake-up call that safety and compliances are not optional. Let's not wait for another truck to catch fire and remind us. Let us know what you think about this, share it to your friends, and be aware. Thank you for watching.